If you like my creation or what you seen in this video on my channel, feel free and share. And if you prefer, you can subscribe. So, let's create. Coco de Dulce y Piña. And in my case, I'm going to have say about 4 cups of coconut. And this is the one that they are flakes, they are coconut. For the other recipe, when I did coconut candy, I use real coconut, but for this one, you know, like natural coconut, but this is real coconut too, it just happened to be flake. I have about maybe 2 cups of pineapple. This one is crushed, make sure you take the liquid out, but you can use chunks as long as you cut them small. I have about 3 cups of sugar, and I have a couple cups of tea, which I'm going to show you how to prepare. You might need maybe 2.5 cups, but I'm going to go with cups first, 2 cups first. If you don't want to do the tea, then just use water, replace it with water. But I'm going to show you how to prepare the tea shortly. First things first, you can use water or you can use a tea, and you prepare your own tea by using some clove, just a handful. Add a couple sticks of cinnamon, real ginger, fresh. You know, kind of peel it and cut a little bit of wedges, and some stars, anise, and just let it boil for a little bit, and that's your tea. Optionally, you can put some vanilla extra, just a few drops, not a lot, just a few drops, very, very little. 5 minutes later, turn it off and get it out of the way. Preheat your pot, medium high, for a couple minutes. Add a couple cups of your tea. Set about a cup of the sugar. Add your coconut. Put the sugar on top too. Your pineapple. And you start mixing things around. So for about 15 or 20 minutes. You don't want it burn at the bottom, so from time to time you have to stir this baby. Okay? So in my case, about 15 minutes later, I'm going to add the rest of the sugar. Mix things up. Let it caramelize for a little bit. About 5, 6, 7 minutes later, things a little bit caramelized, looking good, ready for the next step. So I have a pan here. You can put some parchment paper. What I'm going to do, I'm going to spray a little bit with this non-stick stuff. You can do the same with butter. Then slowly, you're not removing it, you're just moving it around. You know, give it some non-sticky so it doesn't stick. Then you start putting this stuff together. So you start putting it here. And you're going to start giving it shape. I was actually going to get an ice cream scoop and scoop it in here, but I decided not to. And I'm going to leave it here for about maybe 3 hours so it hardens a little, leave it outside. And then I'm going to cut it into the pieces I want.